Alright, so the percentage of adult height attained by a girl who is X years old can be modeled by that equation there, where X represents a girl's age from 5 to 15, and F of X represents a percentage of her adult height. At what age has a girl attained 97% of her adult height?
So this was a problem in our homework.
It was a problem very similar to the ones in the homework, yes.
We had the answer, we were looking for 97%.
Okay,
I forgot the
so let's go through. They gave us an equation. What does F of X represent?
97. Well, 0.97.
No, I don't want numbers. I want to know what it represents.
Percentage of her adult height.
All right, it represents a percentage of her adult height. That means F of X is going to be a percent.
97%.
What does X represent?
Oh, God.
Years.
The girl's age, and it's going to be a number from 5 to 15. All right, so the question is, at what age has a girl attained? At what age? So what are we after?
X.
X.
So we're after X.
What F of X is 97%?
When she's attained 97% of adult height. What is that?
0.97.
That's F of X. Now, am I going to use 0.97 or am I going to use 97?
0.97.
We're going to use 97 because F of X represents the percent of her adult height. Well, what percent of her adult height has she grown that we're looking for?
97.
97, okay?
Is it possible to get above 100 in this problem? I don't think so.
No.
I messed up somewhere.
All right, so,
You're a moron, Rusty.
You're mad as hell.
boys, all right, so where is my variable at?
X.
In the log.
It's in the log, so I need to get that log piece by itself. How?
Minus
Subtract
62 divided by
divide by
32.
35.
Good. Be careful because some people try to add the 62 and the 35. But remember, that's 35 times, right? So we're going to move the 62 first to subtract it. So we get 35 equals 35 log of X minus 4.
Equals 35 log X minus.
Now what do we do?
Divided by 35.
Divide by 35. And so we get 1 equals log of X minus 4.
Yes. Something like that.
Okay, what now?
Exponential form.
Good. We're in log form and we can't do anything else. And if you need to, switch it. Because we're used to seeing log written first. You can rewrite it as log of X minus 4 equals 1. So what is my base here?
10.
What is my X?
X minus 4.
And what is my Y?
Y. 1.
So exponential, remember, is B to the Y equals X. Well, what is 10 to the first?
10.
Equals X minus 4. What do we do?
Add 4.
Add 4.
She's 14.
And we find 14 equals X. Now, did we start out with log in our problem?
Yes.
So we need to check it. But the check's not hard because what was the only log we had? What were we taking the log of?
4.
And so when I plug in that 14 minus 4, is that positive?
Yes.
Yes. So what did we find? X was equal to
10. 14.
14. What do I label it?
X.
Age.
Oh, yeah, the age.
Years.
Do we have to write it down?
Years old.
14.